Good morning, British belligerent. It's been a fair while since I posted on YouTube. Coming up 4 years, in fact. For anybody who's been following me on Rumble, you'll be only too aware that I dropped this little shit the other day and bent the clutch lever. It's not the first time. I'm aware that other videos showing how to straighten these levers, these aluminium alloy composite levers, they never actually show the finished product because they always end up breaking it. Here's one that I've already straightened and I'm in the process of refitting. This is what happened the other day. Oh, shit. Okay, we've got a good pipe here so we can bend the damn thing. We have heat, and I really want to demonstrate that it's possible, and these other YouTubers can suck dick. Anyway, it's been a long time, hasn't it? And the reason I'm back posting on here, only for this one at the moment, is to say do join me on Rumble, and if people want to actually discuss things like election integrity, you know, pharmaceutical products, their suitability, their safety, what governments around the world are really doing, the truth about Ukraine wars, all these things that my channel got struck for may well now be on the table on YouTube. Because, whoa, Trump won the election and he's appointed Brendan Carr as head of the FCC, and one of his stated goals is to destroy the censorship industry, which we all know is just about protecting narratives for either corporations or governments.
Burning the wood.
Yeah. I'm now being assisted by the wonderful and adorable little leg. Thank you, Mama.
Welcome.
See, we're getting there a bit.
Would it be easier if you just buy a new one?
I've got one. That was bent before.
So this is just like a spare?
It will be. Okay. Yeah, on the bench. That's the way. And yeah. Yeah, that's the way.
Burning the wood.
Oh yeah, don't worry about the wood, love. We'll just put water on it. Anyway, so yeah, Brendan Carr, new appointed head of the FCC, he will stop the censorship, and let's hope that now maybe YouTube will not be able to censor people for opposing ideas. They were censoring top Stanford scientists. You see, it's getting better already. Can you see that leg? He's getting there. But we just can't rush it. It's so tempting just to go, because it feels easy to bend when it's hot. It's tempting to go too far, too quick. Yeah, Chapo and I know, a Filipino in Manila. He's coming down tomorrow. We're going to go for a little explore. So I'm looking forward to that immensely. Okay. Getting there. Won't be long. Thanks, love. Yeah, so do join me on Rumble and have a look at what reality is, because the narrative has been bullshit for so long. You know, from January the 6th, 2021, it's been nothing but BS narrative. I mean, as CIA Director Dulles said in the 1980s, we will know our mission is complete when the American public, the sum total of American belief is our bullshit. Yeah, and that's what we've been witnessing. The Great Reset in action. Nothing but bullshit. So, my lovelies, I hope you join me on Rumble, and if Google gets broken up, which it really should be, I think we're in for a great old time. And I'll be back on YouTube once it's a decent platform again. Had over 5,000 subs and, you know, getting thousands of views. I was a really happy bunny. But as soon as they said, oh, no, you can't quote Professor Malone, you can't quote Dr. Bachara, you can't quote any number of supreme experts in their medical fields, or you can't question the narrative surrounding January the 6th. I thought, okay, stuff you, I'm not going to help you. And so they struck my videos. I just took them all down, every single last one. In fact, I left one, but they removed that 3 or 4 months ago. Sort of like just a spiteful act. I don't know quite why. But anyway, check out the link. Come and see me.
Is that over best yet?
No, I think that's good, isn't it?
I'm not sure, I don't know.
That's good. That'll do. Let's just whip that out.
You need a cloth to touch.
No, look, that'll be fine. It'll work. Okay? Oh, actually. Hang on, have I gone too far?
Looks like.
I've gone too far.
Yeah.
My God. The old man's gone too far. Yeah. Okay, so we need to go the other way. That way. Okay. So we'll put it this upside down. Yeah.
Looks different.
Well, I think it'll be all right. Yeah. Just that way a touch. Okay, fire it up. On there, please. Let it build up some heat. Because I was too busy yapping. What a shock. Fancy going too far. That's not like me at all. As if I'm a man of extremes.
You don't want to go too far again, the others.
Well, the more we do it, the more it's likely just to break. Yeah? Okay.
No, I think that's... You want to go too far that other way. Huh?
I think that'll be all right.
Yeah, I think so too.
I think that'll have to be all right.
If you do more...
I know. Whew. There, that'll do.
It's better than the...
Okay. And here we have the... All right, it ain't perfect, but it's a lot more usable than it was. And the other one I did actually must have been a different kind of bend in a different place. I got that one pretty well perfect actually before. This is the original one it came with, and I dropped it because the bike has this habit of falling over. It's like my daughter training our puppy to act dead. It's like I'm doing the same thing, trying to, you know, keep up with the Joneses.
Never work with animals or kids. Pickles, sit down. Bang! Bang! Good girl! Good girl! That's the closest you're getting.
Anyway, that's it from me. See ya.